Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reorder Paragraph Real Exam Question Series. This is 49th video in this series. It means that we have already covered 48 real exam questions जो students को reorder paragraph real exam में PTE exam में आए हैं. Along with that, we have seen the hacks, the strategies and tips to solve them. So first things first now that PTE is accepted in UK. So if you want to study, work or settle in the UK, you can do it through PTE. And 90% of universities now accept PTE Academic, and a new test which is PTE Home is there for family visa in the UK. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PTE. And now students often ask me this question that, sir, can we also score? The big answer is yes. If you follow the same strategies, the tips and tricks which we give, you can also score your target score in the next attempt. Whether it's 59, whether it's 58, 65, 66, 79, 84, you can easily get to your target score. So that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. So PT reading is of 32 to 41 minutes and the total scoring is not out of 90. The PT reading module is of 47 marks and it has 5 question types. And the third question type is reorder paragraph, which is the topic of today's video. And this is the real PT reading scoring. As you can see, it contributes 47 marks. Reorder paragraphs are of 6 marks. It means that if you are getting 3 reorder paragraphs, they will be of 2 marks each. And the timing, you can spend a maximum of 2 minutes on one reorder paragraph. And in those 2 minutes, you have to skim, then you have to apply our strategies, then you have to make pairs, then you have to confirm if all the pairs are correct or not. And as usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to skim through this and then we are going to discuss it. Okay, so you know that the first thing we do is we find independent line. We try to find independent line and if possible, conclusion lines also. So there are certain rules which we look for independent lines कि उसमें कोई pronouns नहीं होने चाहिए, no pronouns, and it should be independent. It shouldn't be dependent on any other line. Okay, so let's get started. And with the second largest tidal range. अब and हो गया है, वैसे ही starting में भी and नहीं आ सकता है, right? So it's going to be not the first line, but let's still see. British Marine Energy could play an important role in this shift. किस shift में? Again, this makes it not independent. This makes a dependent line. किस shift में? So that's why we are not going to select this line as an independent line. What we are doing over here is process of elimination. In that, we eliminate the wrong options and we keep the right options only. In 2013, plans to construct a 34 billion barrage across the Severn estuary were rejected after concerns were raised about its effect on local ecosystems. Yes, this is an independent line, seems like an independent line. But साथ में एक तरह से ये एक example या situation का example लग रहा है, right? But still let's keep it. But harnessing. But आ गया मतलब कोई पहले बात हुई होगी. Harnessing the power of the tides is not without consequence. So इसीलिए this cannot be your independent line also. Now let's see the next line. The government has promised to help counter the dangerous global trend by reducing the UK carbon emissions by 80% from 1990 levels by 2050. क्या ये independent line है? Yes, है. We are going to see because students will say sir यहाँ पे the use हो रहा है, the government, तो यहाँ पे क्या government कहीं और बात हो रही है? नहीं हो रही. तो यहाँ पे अगर use भी हो रहा है, it can still be your independent line. और the UK, always remember UK के साथ the आता है, USA के साथ the आता है, part of our grammar rules. Okay, now we have two independent lines. Now we are going to apply our BS strategy, which is broad to specific strategy. कौन सी general statement है, ये वाली या ये वाली? The answer is this one, and this is looking like an example. So this is going to be your independent line. Okay, so we have dragged it over there. Now let's see. अब आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया है कि एग्जाम्पल है तो ये लास्ट में आएगा, बट लेट्स सी विच इज गोइंग टू बी द नेक्स्ट लाइन. बट हार्नेसिंग द पावर ऑफ टाइड्स. क्या इस लाइन में कहीं पे टाइड्स की बात हो रही है? द आंसर इज नो. एंड नाउ लेट्स सी द थर्ड लाइन जो रिमेनिंग है. एंड विद द सेकंड लार्जेस्ट टाइडल रेंज इन द वर्ल्ड. यहाँ पे बात हो रही है ब्रिटिश मैरीन एनर्जी कुड प्ले एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन दिस शिफ्ट. किस शिफ्ट में? ये वाला शिफ्ट, कि जहां पे उनको अपनी कार्बन एमिशंस को 80% तक रिड्यूस करना है. ओके, इस शिफ्ट की बात हो रही है. और टाइडल रेंज कहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस हो रहा है? यहाँ पे. और टाइड्स कहाँ पे बात हो रही है? यहाँ पे. सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आर एसओ स्ट्रैटेजी, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी सेकेंड, और इनका एक पेयर बनेगा बिकॉज यहाँ पे टाइडल रेंज और टाइडल रेंज यहाँ पे मैच कर रहे हैं. तो ओवर हियर लाइक दिस, नाउ यू नो इसका पेयर वैसे भी इसके साथ ही होगा, तो यहाँ पे आपने पेयर बना दिया. अब वैसे भी लास्ट लाइन रहती है. दूसरा रीजन एग्जाम्पल है तो लास्ट में होना था. थर्ड रीजन, अब आप यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे बात हो रही है. एक तो आपने वो इफेक्ट बता दिया कि उनके पास बहुत ज़्यादा टाइडल रेंज है ब्रिटेन के पास, और साथ में ये भी बता दिया कि इसमें कोई कॉन्सिक्वेंस भी हो सकता है. और यही एग्जाम्पल आपका यहाँ पे फिट हो रहा है, जिसमें आपने वो रेंज की बात भी कर रहे हो टाइड से, और साथ में कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस के रिजेक्ट कर दिया क्योंकि कंसर्न्स थे उसके लोकल इकोसिस्टम से रिलेटेड. इसीलिए आपने वो जो प्लान था आपका, जो बैराज था, वो रिजेक्ट कर दिया. सो दिस इज लाइक एन एग्जाम्पल विच इंक्लूड्स बोथ ऑफ द previous 2 points. So that's why this is going to be the last one also. Now let's see if this is correct. Yes, this is correct. So you see, if you follow our strategy, you can easily crack your reorder paragraphs. What are our strategies? Our strategies are about finding independent line, then brought to specific strategy, जिसकी usage आपने देखी आज. CO strategy, chronological order strategy, LO strategy, logical order strategy, connectors, topic order strategy, AB strategy, SO strategy, subject object strategy, which usage you have seen today, and last sentence rule. And you have seen this also, like examples are in the end, so these are our last sentence rules also. So you see, if you know these strategies, if you know how to apply these strategies, you can easily crack your reorder paragraphs. Always remember, you have 2 minutes to solve your reorder paragraph. So in first 30 to 60 seconds, we are going to skim the content, try to find the independent line, and if possible, find conclusion lines. And in the remaining 1 minute or 30 seconds, apply our strategies so that you can make pairs. And all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many success stories. And these are some of our recent success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, and 81 marks. If you have any question or doubt, you can WhatsApp us at 8699121121. If you want to take online coaching or offline in-institute coaching, you can also WhatsApp us. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.